Hi, I'm Nick Lukowski, Territory Sales Manager for Sub-Zero here in Los Angeles, and I want to talk about what makes a Sub-Zero refrigerator unique. This is our Pro 48 refrigerator model. You have two drawers on the right side of the unit that are high humidity for your fruits and vegetables and any other fresh produce that you may store inside of the unit. These drawers are independently temperature controlled from the rest of the refrigerator cavity, so you can have the ideal temperature and humidity zone for whatever it is that you're preserving inside of your Sub-Zero refrigerator. Inside of the freezer compartment, we have a separate sealed system that controls the freezer from the refrigerator, so it helps maintain a very steady temperature inside of the unit. At Sub-Zero, we really focus on not just refrigeration, but most importantly, food preservation. We do a few things that are really unique in the marketplace. First and foremost, we have an air purification system that's built into every single Sub-Zero refrigerator that helps preserve food the longest. This is actually NASA-inspired technology, and so we can maintain up to 65% relative humidity inside of our Sub-Zero refrigerator cavity by placing that evaporator inside of the refrigerator. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to Sub-Zero Wolf & Co. You can come and see all of these appliances and more at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center.